Welcome to this present trade tutorial on how to install and activate Autoturn. And if you'd like to get your Autoturn license or access more tutorials, you can visit present-trade.com. Now let's start. Once you receive your email invitation, log in to your Transoft Solutions account. Inside your account, you'll see all the products available to you. In this example, we'll select Autoturn. Click on it and you'll find your license number and CD key along with the download options. You can download the latest version or choose an older version if needed. Once the file is downloaded, extract it. Then open the folder and run the setup as administrator. A window will appear asking how you want to install Autoturn. You have two options. Set up a workstation for a local installation or set up a server if you're using a network license. In this video, we'll choose Set up a workstation since we're installing it on a local machine. Click Install, then wait a moment. Once the next window appears, click Next. Now enter your license number and CD key, the same ones from your Transoft account. Click Next, agree to the terms, then choose the installation location. Click Next again. You'll now see the option to download updates automatically. You can disable it if you prefer, but we'll keep it enabled. Continue with the installation. Once the installation is complete, Autoturn will detect all compatible CAD platforms installed on your device. In this example, we'll select Autodesk Civil 3D 2026. You'll also see an option to open the instructions after installation. You can keep it checked or uncheck it if you're already familiar with the software. A shortcut for Autoturn will now appear on your desktop. Open it and it will launch your selected CAD software. You'll then be asked to sign in to your Transoft account. After signing in, you may see a prompt asking for permission to share usage data to improve Autoturn. You can choose Yes or No. Once that's done, Autoturn will appear as a plugin inside your CAD software, ready to use. And here you have it, a simple way to install and activate Autoturn on your system. Contact Present Trade today to get your Autoturn license and try it yourself.